Hi and welcome to OnceHub videos. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In our previous videos, we explored how to automate booking events using OnceHub and n8n. If you missed them, be sure to check out the links in the description. In this video, I will show you how to create an n8n workflow that automatically responds when a meeting is rescheduled in OnceHub. Rescheduled meetings often require sales and customer success teams to stay updated on schedule changes, while recruiting teams may need to adjust interview schedules and follow up tasks. Using n8n, these updates can be automated. For this demo, we will automatically notify a Slack channel and update a Google Sheet whenever a meeting is rescheduled, helping teams stay aligned and records stay accurate. So let's jump in. Log into OneSub account, click the gear icon and select Account Integrations. On the Account Integration page, click on n8n and select Setup on n8n. It will take you to the n8n website where you can click Get Started if you don't have an account or hit Sign In. When you hit Sign In, it will take you to this dashboard where you will need to click on Build a Workflow. Add your first step and search for OnceHub. Select the trigger as booking reschedule and give your trigger a name. And now we will need to test this trigger. Please note, for any automation, you will need to ensure that app that you are using is already connected. So my connection between OneSub and n8n is already done through OneSub API key. In case if you don't, you will need to click on create new credentials and validate it through your OneSub API key. So let's hit test trigger and now come back to your OneSub account, go to activities and select the meeting that you want to reschedule. You have two options. Either you can reschedule yourself or ask guests to reschedule. So for this demo, I'm rescheduling from my end. So for team booking calendars, rescheduling can sometimes result in different team members being assigned to meeting depending on your distribution settings. For example, if your booking calendar use any available team member distribution method, OneSub may assign the rescheduled meeting to a different team member who is available at the newly selected time. Similarly, if you are using round robin distribution, the rescheduled meeting will follow your round robin allocation rules and may be reassigned accordingly. So this time I am selecting Google Meet and reschedule reason and hit reschedule. Okay, meeting is rescheduled. Now let's come back to n8n and you will see the payload information and node is executed successfully. Now it's a time to send the details to next step, that is our Slack channel. Action is send a message. Again, the connection between Slack and n8n was previously done. So I will simply select the channel name from the list and I will add the message text for my team. And now it's a time to map the details that we will be sending to our Slack channel. So let me format this option. First is meeting subject, dated date and time, guest name, and their email address. Once everything looks good, hit execute step. And there you go. So node executed successfully. That means our information is sent to Slack. Let's see how it is showing up to my Slack channel. Let me open my Slack. And there you go. It is showing all the mapped information. Now it's a time to add another action, another tool, that is Google Sheet. And action would be append row in Sheet. Select your document and sheet name. So I would recommend you to use the OnceHub trigger for mapping the information. Starting time, guest name, and their email address. Once everything looks good, again hit execute step. And there you go. Node executed successfully. That means our information is sent to our Google Sheet. Now let's see how it is showing up to our Google Sheet. There you go. The details have been sent and showing exactly as we map. And now everything looks good. So we are good to publish our workflow. Got it. And that is how you can use OnceHub and n8n to automate meeting reschedule events. Whenever a meeting is moved to a new date or time, your team can be notified instantly and your tracking system can be updated automatically as well, ensuring everyone stays informed without any manual effort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.